Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm not sure if you know about Edge, but if you want to reduce your, well, I don't know about y'all, but when I use Edge, a lot of times it is a resource heavy giant. So like if you look at your resources right now on Edge, like for me, we're right now, the Edge is the highest right now at 1,784 megabits, but like that's just what it is, with my extensions and things like that. But yeah, so if you want to reduce the amount of this, on the left side of having too many tabs, they have a unique feature now on Edge where you can split down the middle. Now I don't know how many of you techies know this, but if you go to the top right here and you hit the three dots, you can hit split screen, and then it's going to show both whatever website you're on the left side and whatever right side you want to do. I mean, heck, you can even pull up another YouTube if you wanted to here. So you can have two YouTubes going on right here, left and right. Right. So with that being said, you're able to use less memory usage in theory, on one browser, so you can only have two tabs here. So let's say you wanted to go to, I don't know, Twitch on the left side, right? So we're on the right side right now. We just pulled up a YouTube video. Shouts out to Kabuzaka. And then, you know what I'm saying? We go over here to the left side and we want to go to Twitch. You know what I'm saying? So we search up Twitch here, and now we're on the left side here. So now we're on Twitch, and yeah, and now we're on the front page. So if you ever wanted to, you can go left. You can make the Twitch side bigger. You know what I'm saying, and just have your YouTube video up over here. I think theater mode. Okay, so that's theater mode. You can have it like this, go on here, or if you want to, if you want the YouTube video to be bigger, you can have it like this. Still scroll on Twitch. Wait, sorry. Still scroll on Twitch and things like that. Um, but yeah, it's Edge. Let's see. It's Edge here. There we go. Google. I'm feeling lucky. I'm feeling adventurous. I'm feeling curious. There we go. Okay, so yeah, so that's just how it works. So you can put it in between things here. If you're done with one, if you're done with the site to the left, you can hit exit here. If you're done with the site to the right, you can't hit exit, but you can go back to the home page here. But yeah, so that is a cool feature that I found out. If there's other features that you know about that's cool to check out, definitely let me know. If not, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. All right. Peace.